Going down to have breakfast now. Okay, some soup here, some rice. Maybe I should check. This is probably beef and chicken again. I wish some things were more labeled, but that's asking for much. It's like in the basket. Okay, I got some kanji here. What is in this? Pudding, toast pudding. Some fermented stuff. Sandwiches, salads, and fruits. Dates, Chinese dates, yogurt. Rice Krispies. Oh my god, that reminds me of England. A cold milk. Okay. My favorite flavored soybean milk. And that's hot milk. So this is what I got. Main dish, soup, some fermented stuff and rice, fruits, orange juice, soy milk, porridge with also added raisins and dried pineapple. So I totally forgot to see what's here. Cranberry honey osmosis paste. That looks interesting. Some breads. I should have known. Oh, I might get a chocolate. Yeah. Croissant. Okay, I think this is meat floss. Some muffin. Okay, that definitely looks like pork, and I think that could be, you know, vegetarian. And some tiny cute cakes and donuts. Yummy. So I added this pastry thing and this drink. And this is the view I'm looking at. Okay, last thing I'm having a chocolate croissant, this chocolate something, and another mug of hot soy milk. Okay, so we just basically checked out, left our luggages, and now we're back at Luckin Coffee. It is starting my day. Oh yeah, before that, of course, worked out, showered, packed, all that stuff. In the DD now, this is the drink I got, which is vanilla velvet latte. I wouldn't drive anywhere. Look at these beautiful things. Oh my god. So that's where the entrance is to the cable car. Okay, we're entering it. It's open. Oopsie. Accident. That's where we came from. You can look into people's houses.
Yeah. But you still can't.
So rude.
At night.
Okay, so we got out. We do have a ride back, but we need to validate our second tickets.
What's they doing? They're waiting. Descending. Please hold on to your phone.
Yeah, don't worry. Unless you push me or someone pushes me. It's gonna be
Not yet. I mean, right there, just you have to turn around. Okay.
Try the other side.
Yeah.
Why is the
哪儿了？我有照片能凝固时间，1年1次全家福纪念。观景台专业摄影师免费拍摄，并赠送2寸照片。
Yeah, so I have this. It's the same brand. But I like this more. It's not it's faster.
Yeah, I know. I just wanted the wind to come and do its thing, but okay.
I love
so
those
we're on this red bridge. There. Beautiful views.
That building is insane.
Is that the one we were on?
Yeah.
That's the one.
Yeah.
You could see the
Now you
little
can see
bit.
it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we were walking on that thing.
Yeah, so it's fine. We're not going to be delayed.
Estamos en el tren ahora. Y tenemos que hurrying up, apurarnos porque nuestro tren salir en un poco de tiempo. Nuestro tren venirá en 2 horas y necesitamos llegar nuestras maletas del hotel antes de ir a la estación del tren. Es el rush hour ahora, es por eso los metros están.
El metro. Los trenes de metro.
Los trenes de metro están muy lleno de gente. Puedes verlo. Pero tengo esperanza que nosotras vamos a lograr nuestro tren.
Vamos a lograr is like
We will make it.
Vamos a lograrlo.
Vamos a lograrlo. We're waiting for our DD. It's a close call, but I think it'll be fine. Somehow I can do magic because it's a slanted road, right? But it's just not, falling. Thank God we made it to the train station, and we were almost on the wrong side because we're in coach 2 and one side is for coaches 9 to 16 and the other is for 1 to 8 or something. Yeah. And now we're going to Family Mart to get some food for the 10-hour train ride. Sleeper train. So we're at the platform, and as you can see there are 3 types of numbers. We are in coach 2, so we have to look at the yellow, and I guess the other colors are for other types of trains. And this is the line for number 2, and everything else is kind of empty. Here's our train, sleeper train. So this is our compartment. We're up here. I have to put my foot here and then go up. Okay, up here you got a compartment for stuff. You got a hook, and then I don't know what this is. Not too sure, but you can hang stuff there. I guess I don't know. Up here where everybody's bedding, so they had to take down theirs. We got a socket here. That's great. I just want to show what I'm gonna eat. I have cut this peach before, this Yakult drink. At Family Mart, I got these waffles that I've been meaning to try. I actually wanted to try that other thing. I have watermelon looking bread. Anything with watermelon I have to try. And then this cheese. And this watermelon chocolate, like chocolate flavored water. watermelon flavored chocolate. This chicken sushi. Also this a sweet potato warm, right? And then we got a vegetable baozi, like dumplings, and also custard, like 2 of those. I think I'll just have one though, I don't know, maybe 2. Then one of these custard filled baozi dumplings and a boiled egg. I just got changed a bit. That was an ordeal because I was wearing this full leather. And I really sweated through that. And I also had some tissue here to absorb the sweat. And it turned a little, you know, I had to pick up a few pieces because I got so drenched in sweat. And it's kind of funny, but I managed.